Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Courtney-Ann and I film real estate content and all topics related. Some time ago you might remember I did a video on the Ruthven Towers complex. The property had units ranging from 27.7 million to 37.7 million and had 86 units in total. A lot of persons cried outrage over the pricing, but to everyone's surprise, the complex was quickly sold out. Since then, persons have moved in and began to get settled in nicely. But then, the rainy season here in Jamaica is infamous for flash floods, land slippage, and other acts of God. But I don't think anyone anticipated that this newly built complex would be nature's next victim. The question I'm seeing all over social media is, what on earth is happening at Ruthven Towers? Some months ago, the complex was seen with sandbags at the gate as a preventative measure to keep water out. However, some persons reported leaking in their units after heavy rainfall. Fast forward to last week when Jamaica underwent some heavy rains and the unimaginable happened. The underground parking went from 0 to 100. Persons tried to remove their vehicles but failed, and well, the parking area was completely flooded. Here are some of the videos and photos circulating on social media. Now viewers, who do you think should be held responsible for this? Several factors come into play here, such as the structural design of the property, proper drainage, materials used to build the complex, etc. Imagine telling your insurance company that your vehicle was flooded while parked safely at home. According to reports by the Jamaica Gleaner, the Jamaica Fire Brigade had to get on the scene and pump out water from the area.
No man, the CRV, right?
Since the incident, it was announced that the entrance of the property will be moved to safeguard against other flash floods. Now guys, comment below what you think of this issue and whether or not you think this affects NHT's relationship with Jamaicans and the trust to provide quality homes to Jamaicans. Coming up next are a few of the comments I'm seeing on social media from the general public. I did go ahead and crop out everyone's usernames just to be safe, but guys, comment below your opinions, and as always, thank you so much for watching this video and I will see you guys in the next one.